Romo mar ohala e kind riwruog pinje Ulaya kata European Union dhi kelo kanyakla riwruok mar pinje Europa, European Union, jolony e weche mag ohala, jombetre mag pinje mawuok Europe kod joma moko kotenore kod ohala. Kamano bende romono mabiro timore e boma ma Nairobi dwe manyien biro sidho ayanga riwruok mar ohala mar Europe e piny Kenya, European Chamber of Commerce ma idendo ni Eurocham Kenya. Nyasi ma kawuono ne otele kod jatend piny William Ruto kamoyange ni riwruok mar EU osemedo mwandu ma giketo e pacho ka koa atamalo 61 e higa mar 2013 ka higa mar 2023 kwan keto mwandu oseromo shillings billion 400.
Signify that we can finally speak with one voice. And you may think, where there are already bilateral chambers there, why do we need a European chamber? Precisely because we have an EPA, we have an economic partnership agreement, and we need to work together to speak with one voice on trade and investment matters that are of common concern.
This is one very important function that the world should know about, and the sky is the limit. So please join us on the 12th and 13th of May as we explore technology and transform our businesses on this platform of AI. Many things happen. It's good mostly, but also has issues. So be careful what you ask AI to do. But the government supports this very noble exercise.